Hello everyone! We've got some big news. I'm thrilled to announce that starting November 10th, we will feature exclusive Black Friday offers dedicated to Tesa Technology products. Tesa Technology has been at the forefront of precision metrology, rooted in Swiss engineering and innovation. With decades of experience delivering reliable measuring instruments, this brand is trusted by professionals. This November, enjoy special Black Friday pricing on Mr. Worker. The perfect chance to bring Tesa's accuracy and quality into your tool set. At Mr. Worker, you'll find the full Tesa technology range. From digital and analog calipers, external and internal micrometers, dial gauges and lever-type indicators, to height gauges and measuring probes. All these are available during our Black Friday event at remarkably reduced prices. Is there a better time to upgrade your precision tools? Don't miss this opportunity. Starting from November 10th, explore these and many more Tesa technology deals on Mr. Worker. Experience measurement excellence. Upgrade your work with precision and confidence.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.